going to explain this program of making use of an interrupt to make an LED glow. There are two main parts of any program in the Arduino IDE. The first part is the void setup, as we can see here, and the second part is the void loop. The void loop can be empty, but it can never be left out of a program. And the third part here is nothing but the void call, which is nothing but an inbuilt user-defined function. So in the void setup, we just explain as to what the mode of the pin is going to be, as in a pin is going to be used as an output port or as an input port. As seen here, I have defined pin number 13 as an output port, and there's an inbuilt function for doing this work, which is known as the pin mode. And next I assign pin number 7 as the input port, and then I write into that port as high. So it goes 5 volts to that input to that input port, which is 7, which is nothing but a switch. Next we come to the attach interrupt, which is nothing but an inbuilt function to call an external interrupt. I use pin number 0 for this purpose, and I'm going to use this interrupt to invoke a function which is called call, and I'm going to do this at the fall of a clock. Next I come to the void loop, inside which I'm not going to do any operation, but I can't leave out this function, and hence I'm including it and just opening the curly brace and closing it. Finally I come to the void call function. In this call function, I'm just going to make a LED glow on and off continuously for every 1 second. So digital write of pin number 13, I'm going to provide 5 volts to it, which I specify as high, or I can specify it as 5 volts. Then I'm going to provide a delay for 1 second. So here delay is an inbuilt function which makes use of one parameter in terms of milliseconds. So I'm providing 1000 milliseconds, which is nothing but 1 second. And then I make use of this inbuilt function, which is digital write, and I write pin number 13 to low or 0 volts, which makes the LED turn off, followed by the delay.